Application-oriented questions. Question 1. When an email is received, it can be sent on to other email addresses. This is forwarding, replying, mailing, attaching. Answer: forwarding. Reason: a received message can be sent on to other email addresses by using the forward option. Question 2. PJM Bank has a head office based in Bangalore and a large number of branches nationwide. The head office uses video conferencing to communicate with the branch managers. A. Identify the requirements to be fulfilled by each branch for video conferencing. B. Describe 3 benefits to the bank of using video conferencing. C. Describe 3 problems that may occur when using video conferencing. Answer: A. For video conferencing, each branch should fulfill the following requirements: multimedia PCs, video cameras, microphones, internet connection, video conferencing software. B. 3 benefits to the bank of using video conferencing are: cost and time savings. It reduces travel expenses for the bank and saves valuable time for the branch managers by reducing the need to travel to the head office for meetings. Enhanced communication and collaboration. It improves communication and collaboration, resulting in faster decision making. Increased efficiency and productivity. It enables sharing documents and presentations during meetings, making it easier to provide updates, have real-time discussions and conduct training sessions for branch managers and staff. C. 3 problems that may occur when using video conferencing are: technical difficulties. Video conferencing relies heavily on technology, and technical issues like poor internet connection, poor quality video camera or microphone, etc., can disrupt or degrade the quality of meetings. Distractions and multitasking. Participants in video conferences may face distractions from thieves such as noise, interruptions, or personal devices. Lack of non-verbal cues. The video camera might not be able to see all parts of the room at the same time, leading to potential misunderstandings or misinterpretations during discussions. Question 3. A. Give 2 ways, other than video conferencing, in which branches are able to communicate. Give 1 advantage for each. B. There has been a large increase in the number of customers who use the internet banking facilities offered by PJM Bank. Give 2 reasons why customers choose to use internet banking. Answer: A. 2 ways, other than video conferencing, in which branches can communicate are: S. No. Method. Advantage 1. A. Mails can be sent and read at different times, allowing flexibility for recipients to respond when convenient. 2. Instant messaging. Instant messaging allows for instant exchanges, facilitating quick decision-making and problem-solving. B. 2 reasons that customers choose to use internet banking are: customers don't need to visit the branch. It saves their time and travel cost. Customers can do their banking transaction at any time as per their convenience without being restricted by the business hours of the bank. Question 4. A. Juhi uses a computer to send emails to her sister in America. Juhi has a photograph stored on her computer that she wants to send to her sister. Describe the process of sending an email with a photograph. Explain what all types of files can she send with email. B. Juhi is researching Indian freedom struggle history on the internet. She uses a search engine to help her. The computer sometimes takes a long time to respond when Juhi enters a question into the search engine. Give 2 reasons why this might happen. The search engine returned a large number of links when she entered Gandhi. Give 2 things Juhi can do to reduce the number of links. Answer: A. Juhi uses a computer to send emails to her sister in America. To send mail to her sister, Juhi needs to first log into her email account and then follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Compose button to compose a new mail message. Step 2. In the Compose message window, type the email address of her sister in the To field. Step 3. Fill in the subject of the message in the subject field. Step 4. click on the Attach a File link below subject box. Browse through the computer and select the photograph to be sent. Then click on Open. Step 5. Write the message in the box designated for it. Step 6. Click on Send button. Juhi can send the following types of files through email. Documents. This includes files in formats such as Docs, Microsoft Word, PDF, Portable Document Format, XLSX, Microsoft Excel, PPTX, Microsoft PowerPoint, and plain text files. Images. Popular image formats like JPEG, PNG, GIF, and BMP can be attached to emails. These files can include digital photos, illustrations, or graphics. Audio files. Formats like MP3, WAV, and AAC can be sent as email attachments. These files can include music, sound effects, or voice recordings. Video files. Common video file formats such as MP4, AVI, MOV, and WMV can be attached to emails. These files can include recorded videos or video clips. Compressed files. Archives or compressed files, like zip or RAW, can be sent as email attachments. These files are used to combine multiple files into a single compressed file for easier sharing. Presentations. Presentation files, such as PPTX, PowerPoint, or Keynote files, can be sent via email. Spreadsheets. Spreadsheet files, like XLSX, Excel, or CSV, separated values, can be attached to emails. B. Juhi is using a search engine to research Indian freedom struggle history. 2 reasons why computer is taking longer to respond are: slow internet connection. If Juhi has a slow internet connection, it can significantly affect the response time of the search engine. High server load. The search engine service may be experiencing a high volume of requests, leading to slower response times. 2 things Juhi can do to reduce the number of links are: use specific keywords. Instead of using a broad term like Gandhi, Juhi can refine her search by including more specific keywords related to her research topic. For example, she can search for Mahatma Gandhi Indian freedom struggle or Gandhi's role in Indian independence movement. Adding relevant keywords will help narrow down the search results to more specific and relevant information. Utilize advanced search operators. Juhi can use operators like quotation marks to search for exact phrases or hyphen to exclude specific words or terms. For example, she can search for Mahatma Gandhi movie to exclude links related to movies about Gandhi. Question 5. Swirlpool is a company that sells washing machines from its website. Sophie buys a washing machine from the Swirlpool website. A. What is this way of shopping called? B. Describe one advantage to the customers of A sales. C. Swirlpool encourages its employees to study online and enhance their skills. What is the term that describes this form of learning? Answer. A. This way of shopping is called A shopping. B. A shopping is very convenient for the customers. They don't have to visit the shops. They can shop from anywhere, which saves their time and travel cost.